So that's the Peacock mine, and they've had a lot of nuggets shed off these two enrichments down to this creek. So today I pushed it. We got 3 trenches, fairly deep. Hopefully we'll snag some deep nuggets. Okay, this is the first day on the patch. Pushing the patch. As I said, I've pushed 3 deep channels through the guts of the creek. Looking for a deep lead out of that hole there. I'm not sure. It looked a little bit pebbly. Give it a bit of a... And from this hole, I got a fairly chunky little bit. Okay, still going down. Sound's getting better. So we're still on that second nugget. It looks like it's an old creek bed here. See the pebbles? Like it's out of a creek, round. And most importantly, carrying gold. Okay, I got the second piece. Might have to get my jackhammer tomorrow, but it's like a rose. It's a nice little chunk. Nice little chunk with ironstone. Day 2 of the big push, looking for a deep lead. And as I said yesterday, the ground's very difficult to dig, so I've gone through and with the spray can just marked all the signals. And I'll come back later with the generator and dig them all at once instead of trying to pick everything. So we've got paint which indicate where I've gotten the signal. So there's a target, another target, another target, there's a target, target there, target, 1, 2, 3 targets here, 4, 5, 6 targets. So you gotta look at the ground, see? The ground, it looks like an old creek bed, see it? See those round pebbles? So that's what we're looking for. And then on the other side, you can see 1, 2, 3, there's quite a few targets there. So we'll dig these targets up that I've marked out. It'll give us a better idea of what we're dealing with. Gold mine's over that way. So I'm thinking, there's the deep ground. See the big trees that indicate deep soil. Okay, the first cut is complete, and all the targets have been dug. So there's quite some deep ones here. This was a good one. And a couple over there. So it looks like it's running this way. Actually, up on that creek. So that's the take from the first cut. What's it, 35 grams? This is 3 grammer. That's a 3 grammer. You know, a couple chunky bits there. But they're an ironstone. See the ironstone? the ironstone has come out of the other hill. So this has become very interesting. I think there's a deep lead that's going up the hill. So what we'll do now is continue on and chase the gold up this hill. Did 4 cuts on this side with that tree, and then we pushed our windrows. So we had 4 new cuts, and the windrows are pushed. And all the fill's been feathered out, ready to detect. Got 1, 2, 3, 4 cuts. So I was hoping for the top to show that the gold's coming off this hill, but I only found a few pieces going up the hill, and you can kind of see the soil. It's like tan, whereas down here it's more reddish. So I didn't find any gold on this run, but if I look over here, that was a deep piece there, and I didn't get any gold on this cut here. This cut here, I didn't get any gold. But if you look, you can see that I didn't go deep enough. So I need to cut that one more. So this is day 8, and I've just finished detecting the 2 cuts that I did. They were windrows, remember? And the cuts on top, which didn't turn out very well. But I was getting deep gold here. See, that was a deep piece. That was a deep piece. And I've gotten deep gold on that first cut. So yeah, that was a deep piece. And, you know, quite a few pieces here. Got quite a few pieces through here. It seems to be that direction there, going that way. I got a piece here. It was underneath this stuff. I had to jackhammer through that hard pack, and I got a piece of gold in that hole there. It's like a false bottom. So that was very interesting. You know, quite a few pieces here. This last piece I got here was deep. That was a nice 1 grammer. So this is the bottom of the patch. I got 1 piece way over the corner, but I didn't get anything else. So I think I'm going to cover this back. So quite a few deep pieces through here, and you can see it's very gravelly. You know, it looks like a little creek bed. Look at that. So very gravelly. I'm going to come in, do another row here. I'm going to cut these two deeper. I'm going to make another row there, deep one. So I want 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It'll be 5 new rows. The deep lead looks like it's going up the hill. It's going up the hill. So, you know, quite a few pieces dug up through here. And that was quite a good little spot. A couple of deep bits. But we'll keep going. So that's 61 grams, and that's after 2 pushes.